Tired of thinking healthy eating means bland and boring food? Think again. Today, we're going to bust that myth and show you how to whip up meals that are not only packed with nutrients, but are also bursting with flavor. Whether your goal is to lose a few pounds, build some muscle, or just feel more energized, these easy recipes will get you excited about cooking and eating well. So, why bother making healthy meals at home? Well, first off, you'll save a ton of money compared to eating out. You also get full control over what goes into your food. No more mystery additives or processed junk. Plus, you can tailor every dish to your own taste and dietary needs. It's a fantastic way to sharpen your cooking skills and even spend some quality time with your family in the kitchen. Let's dive right into our first recipe, a vibrant quinoa Buddha bowl. For this, you'll need 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water, a can of chickpeas, and a colorful mix of veggies like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. Grab some fresh spinach and an avocado. First, rinse your quinoa and cook it in water until it's light and fluffy, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. While that's cooking, toss your chickpeas and chopped veggies with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until they're perfectly tender. For the dressing, it's a simple, creamy tahini sauce. Just whisk together 3 tablespoons of tahine, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a minced garlic clove, and a splash of water to get the right consistency. Now for the fun part. Assemble your bowl. Start with a base of quinoa, add the roasted veggies and chickpeas, fresh spinach, and sliced avocado. Drizzle that gorgeous tahini dressing over the top, and you've got a meal that's high in protein, fiber, and all the good stuff. Next up, a classic that never disappoints, grilled salmon with asparagus. This one is super quick. You'll need 2 salmon fillets, a bunch of asparagus, olive oil, minced garlic, a lemon, and some fresh dill. Preheat your grill or oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the salmon with salt, pepper, garlic, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Toss the asparagus with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Grill the salmon for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until it flakes easily, and grill the asparagus for 8 to 10 minutes until it's tender crisp. Garnish with some fresh dill and extra lemon wedges. This dish is loaded with omega-3 salt and protein, making it amazing for your heart and brain. Need a breakfast that's ready when you wake up? Let's make overnight oats. The base is simple. Half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of your favorite milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a little honey or maple syrup. Now for the variations. For a berry blast, add half a cup of mixed berries and a spoonful of almond butter. Craving chocolate? Go for the chocolate banana version by adding a sliced banana, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and some peanut butter. Or, for a cozy flavor, try the apple cinnamon version with half a diced apple, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and some chopped walnuts. Just mix everything in a jar. Stick it in the fridge overnight, and breakfast is served. It's packed with fiber and protein to keep you full and energized all morning, feeling like a wrap for lunch. Our Mediterranean chicken wrap is light, yet incredibly satisfying. You'll need some grilled and sliced chicken, whole wheat tortillas, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, feta cheese, hummus, and a little Greek yogurt. Simply spread the hummus and yogurt on a tortilla, then layer on the greens, chicken, and all those fresh veggies. Sprinkle with feta, roll it up tightly, and you're good to go. It's a perfect balance of lean protein, whole grains, and fresh produce. And let's not forget a quick and powerful green smoothie bowl. In a blender, combine 1 frozen banana, a big handful of spinach, half a cup of frozen mango, half a cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of almond butter. Blend until it's super smooth and creamy. Pour it into a bowl and get creative with your toppings. I love using granola, fresh berries, chia seeds, and a sprinkle of coconut flakes. It's an instant vitamin and antioxidant boost that's perfect after a workout. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a race. Start with 1 or 2 of these recipes this week and see how you feel. Don't be afraid to experiment and make them your own. The best diet is one you genuinely enjoy. Your body will definitely thank you for it. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed these recipes, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy cooking!